You don't have an attention problem. You don't have a motivation problem. You have an emotional instability problem. And in 2026, that's the difference between people who rise and people who silently fall apart. You wake up, check your phone, and suddenly your mood depends on something you didn't even control: a message, a like, a reply that never came. Your mind starts racing. What did I do wrong? Why am I like this? Sighs, why can't I just stay calm? And the worst part? You look fine from the outside, but inside, it's chaos. Overthinking everything, feeling everything too deeply, getting attached too quickly, and breaking too quietly. You're tired, not because life is hard, but because your emotions don't feel safe inside you. Here's what no one tells you: you're not too emotional, you're just untrained. Your subconscious mind is running old patterns, patterns built from moments where you felt ignored, rejected, not enough. And now, every small trigger feels like a threat. That delayed reply, your brain reads it as rejection. That criticism, your ego hears you're not worthy. So your emotions spike, not because of reality, but because of memory. You're not reacting to the present, you're reacting to your past on repeat. Here's the uncomfortable truth: your emotions are not the problem. Your lack of control over them is. In 2026, intelligence is everywhere, opportunities are everywhere. But emotional stability, that's rare. And rare is powerful. The person who can stay calm when everything feels personal. The person who doesn't react instantly, who observes instead of exploding. That person, they win quietly, consistently. So, how do you build emotional stability? Not by suppressing your feelings, but by mastering them. 1. Pause your reaction. Next time something triggers you, don't respond, don't text back immediately, don't explain yourself. Just pause, because your first reaction is your conditioning. Your second response is your power. 2. Name what you feel instead of saying, I feel bad. Say it clearly: I feel rejected. I feel insecure. I feel ignored. When you name it, you separate from it, you stop being the emotion and start observing it. 3. Stop making everything about you. Not every silence is rejection. Not every change is abandonment. Sometimes people are just busy. Sometimes life is just life. Your mind creates stories that your emotions believe. Break the story. You calm the emotion. 4. Build inner safety. Right now, your peace depends on others. That's why it breaks so easily. Start giving yourself what you expect from the world: validation, reassurance, understanding. Because the moment you feel safe within, the world loses its power to shake you. Emotional stability is not coldness, it's not detachment, it's control. In the middle of chaos, in a world full of reactive people, be the one who responds with awareness. In a world addicted to validation, be the one who is already enough. Because in 2026, your greatest advantage won't be what you know. It will be how well you control what you feel. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Comment one word: control, and tell me what emotion controls you the most right now. And if you're ready to master your mind, subscribe to Mind Captain Pre, because here we don't escape reality, we understand it.